What's going on, everyone? So today I'm going to show you all how to link Python Anywhere with GitHub so that you can pull updates from GitHub. So I just have a free Python Anywhere account. So the first thing we will do is go to the dashboard. Then we will need to open a bash console. I have already opened one, so I'll just click my already opened one. And we will do list to just see what's in our working directory, which is just the readme.txt, which everyone will have it. They just created a new account. So the first thing we'll need to do is generate some SSH keys. So we'll use the command SSH keygen, and that's where I want it saved. And you can do a passphrase if you would like. I don't want one. So this will create a public SSH key and also a private one. The one that we need is the public one. So we will cd into that hidden directory. And you can see here there's our id rsa.pub. So we'll need to get a copy of that. And there is the key that we will post into GitHub. So we'll grab a copy of that. So from GitHub, if you're at the home, you will go to settings and SSH and GPG keys. So we'll create a new SSH key. I'm just going to title it Python Anywhere. So you will just paste that in there. Then we will add that key. So next you will go to your bash console on Python Anywhere so that you can pull your code from GitHub repository. So just to show you guys, here's my repo. This is the one that we're pulling. So we'll need to grab it via SSH here. So we're just going to copy that. And in Python Anywhere bash console, we will return to the working directory. So next we will clone the repo. So we'll do git clone and then paste. Yes for the fingerprint. And there is our code now. So you can cd into that. So you can see our app.py application. So if you go to your files, you will see that Python Anywhere is here. And there's app.py. So for the next step, we will need to go to the web tab and we will add a new web app. So the domain name will be murphycodes.pythonanywhere.com, and we're using Flasks for this application, and we'll just select the most recent Python version. So here we'll need to grab the path of your app.py. So I'll open up a new window. So Python Anywhere test. So app.py exists here. So we'll just grab all of this. Home, Murphy Codes, Python Anywhere /test. So Python Anywhere /test. And let's see if this is Python Anywhere test, and then so this is my entire directory: home, Murphy Codes, Python Anywhere test /test, and then app.py. So next, and we will reload the website just in case. So, and looks like we need to do one more step because it's still saying hello from Flask. Okay, so to fix this issue with it's still saying hello from Flask, I updated my Visual Studio Code, so it should already push this to GitHub, hello Murphy's code. So to fix this issue, we will need to open a bash console. It looks like PythonAnywhere just defaults you an app.py with hello from Flask just to get you started. So to replace that with your GitHub code, we'll need to cd into our directory. So now we'll run a git status. I already ran a git add where my app.py lives. I had added that before I started the video, so you just run a git status and it should show that it's modified. So then we'll run a git fetch origin main, and we'll do a git checkout origin main test app.py, and we will run a cat app.py cd test and then a cat app.py. It grabbed our update from GitHub now, so hello Murphy's code. So we will go back and go to web, reload Murphy's code pythonanywhere.com and see if it grabbed the changes. So now we should be good to go. Thanks everyone for checking out the video. If you have any questions or comments, just feel free to drop them below, and thank you so much for watching.